Happy Sunday! Buona domenica a tutti! Today we will be making homemade Irish cream. We are going to begin with heavy cream in a saucepan. Here I have instant coffee. I will suggest you to use instant coffee and powdered coffee, because otherwise you need a lot of coffee to give more flavor. This is more concentrated. So here I have, let me see if I have the right one. Yes, in this case, again, guys, the recipe is in the description box below. So I'm adding a teaspoon of coffee here. And you can add it after, but obviously this is to make sure that dissolves fully. And then you stir until completely dissolved. So here I'm going to add my milk. You can turn off the heat. I'm going to add now 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm using vanilla Madagascar premium vanilla. And I'm going to add here ½ teaspoon of almond extract. This is going to give a lot of flavor. I choose one that is quite expensive because, again, guys, it makes a lot of difference. I'm going to add some chocolate, dark chocolate, finely chopped, because it takes less to dissolve. And you keep going until the chocolate is completely melted. Did you guys join me last week with the last workshop? We made chocolate bar. That also a great idea for Christmas. I show you also the packaging that looks very nice and very beautiful. With $5 you can make a great gift. So this is my chocolate is completely melted. Let's turn off the heat. And now we are going to add here our condensed milk. As I said, here I am using Canadian whiskey, but you really can use anything. So let's do 350. And you are going to add this beautiful whiskey. It smells so good. To this beauty here. And then you stir all together. Make sure that everything is nicely combined. It smells already so good. Then you can buy these small bottles here. Now, guys, this at the liquor store is $10. So I will make my own. And now we are going to add some stuff just to make it look a little bit more pretty. And if you didn't watch it, also remember that there is chocolate truffles, 2 ingredients only, condensed milk and chocolate. Amazing. Ready in just a few minutes. Even if you are not an expert, okay, it is going to look beautiful. Tastes delicious. You can add this one. Dollarama, guys, dollar store. This is what you find. Super easy and pretty and cute. I believe that this is pretty enough the way it is. 10 minutes and you made a delicious Baileys for your friends. Now the recipe, as I said, you can change it. You can increase or decrease the amount of alcohol. Doesn't make any difference. It depends really on your taste. Okay, guys, let me have some. Guys, this is way better than Baileys. Oh my God. I didn't remember it was so good. My eyes are tearing. All right. I do wish you a great time during the holidays with friends, with family. Cheers and happy holidays to you. Baci a tutti.